I'm just trying to think of anything with Claypool here. Dude, he's on a good pace here. He's on a good pace. Jefferson, dude, remember how we talk about rookie receivers?
Yeah.
Dude, Jefferson's going off, man.
He did.
He has so many yards. That's the thing.
Yeah.
Claypool's got the touchdowns. He's got the yards.
Yeah.
So we'll see how it plays out because Burrow with the ACL, he can't be the front runner anymore.
Bro.
I guess Herbert went off though. He's been going off.
But I still feel like, well, put it like this: Burrow going down opens up the door so much because the knock on Herbert was going to be that he hasn't played enough compared to Burrow, who was starting from week 1. And now with Burrow being gone, I mean, that gamut now, it's a wide open race. And I think that favors Claypool a lot more because Claypool has been doing it from the beginning. Whereas with Herbert, it was a little bit later. Now, obviously, Herbert at quarterback,
dude, his numbers are crazy.
These next 6 games, he could go, the way he's playing right now, he can continue to go off. And the thing is,
you thought it was going to be the haircut too, and maybe hold him back, but no,
like, bro, he's looking good. He's looking good. So as much as I would love for Claypool to get that, that Herbert is making it very difficult right now. This segment was brought to you by DraftKings Sportsbook, America's top-rated sports booking app. And we know sports booking isn't allowed everywhere. We know this, but we do know fantasy football is, right?
Yeah.
And a lot of people love fantasy football. And a lot of people love the opportunity to make some money. So what if I told you that DraftKings has combined with fantasy football and they have a fantasy football app where they're giving out $1 million worth of prizes every week? I mean, that sounds pretty good, right?
Sounds amazing.
I agree. And you know me, I was in retirement. You were in retirement. We weren't even fantasy football guys. When they broke out this deal, along with the promo code Moats, giving us up to $1,000 in deposit bonus money, we both came out of retirement. We said, look, take our jerseys out the rafters. We're coming back, man. We are coming back. So what are you waiting on, man? Make sure you download the DraftKings Sportsbook app or download DraftKings Fantasy Football app. Use the promo code Moats and go out there and get that opportunity to make a little money.